Stoney Point road. Let me see if I can do this and pedal. One of our favorite places to come walk in Ross's Point was Stoney Point Road. I got these clips though, I gotta get going. The power grips. No, in the February, place Stoney Point Road at Ross's Point. It's pour faire la chasse. You can hunt here, but I don't know. It's all swampy. C'est tout du swamp. My old mountain bike's like 30 years old. Mon bicycle de montagne, c'est 30 ans. I had it tuned up at Vikings in Plattsburgh last year. J'ai fait un tune-up at Vikings. L'année passée. That's my kickstand. Or it's my invisible net hidden something. But now, see how high the water is? The way out. I'm hitting the kickstand. It came loose. No big deal. It's 1.5 miles from our rectory. C'est 1,5 miles de rectory, so 12 miles round trip. Well, I got the weekend, but it's vacation. The second week was more relaxed. We're glad to have the kids home. La deuxième semaine, c'était relaxing. On est content d'avoir les gens. So I'm gonna end it here because I gotta put my phone away. Because I'm coming onto Lake Street. Je viens sur Lake Street.